Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's market updates. My name is Edmund. So, following up from last Monday's announcement by Pfizer that they have developed a COVID-19 vaccine which was 90% effective against symptomatic infections from COVID-19. Just yesterday, on the 16th of November, on a Monday, Moderna Inc, another major US-based biotech company, mentioned that it has developed a COVID-19 vaccine which was in fact better than Pfizer's vaccine, and Moderna's vaccine is 94.5% effective in a preliminary analysis of a large late-stage clinical trial. Okay, so this is definitely good news for the fight against COVID-19, as more and more pharmaceutical and research companies are beginning to report their almost, I would say, last stage clinical trials results, and most of them are encouraging, especially from Pfizer and also from Moderna. Okay, so other major events today: oil-producing economic countries (OPEC), together with the Joint Ministerial Monitoring Committee, will meet sometime today. The timing is not fixed yet, and they will have a discussion on whether to increase or whether to delay the increase in the output of oil in the month of January. Okay. So, moving on to tomorrow, of course, on Wednesday night, there will be a crude oil inventories data. So, I guess today's OPEC and JMMC meeting may have an impact on oil prices from today onwards, later on today, all the way until tomorrow's crude oil inventories data. Okay, so moving on to the US dollar index. The US dollar index for yesterday came down for the third consecutive day. Let us move on to the MT4 charts. So, US dollar was bearish it was bullish first of all, after coming down for about 1 day and 2 days. This was on last Thursday and last Friday, and on yesterday, Monday, the US dollar opened pretty much on a weak note, okay, bearish in the morning session. However, it managed to find some support at 92.43 levels. And just at about 11 plus 6, this is at 1700 hours, 5 p.m. local Malaysia time. The US dollar index strengthens from 92.49 all the way to come up to test this bearish dynamic trend line again at about 92.80 levels, okay, before coming back down again. Okay, so US dollar is still like yesterday. It was bearish, and then it became bullish in the afternoon session, and towards the US sessions it became bearish again. Okay, so as of this morning, as we are speaking, it is currently supporting at 92.43 levels. So markets are still a bit quiet this morning. Again, we will have to wait until the afternoon and evening sessions, just like yesterday. Afternoon started to strengthen, and during the evening started to weaken back again. Okay, so with the US dollar mostly bullish, or the main move of yesterday was the dollar being bullish in the UK trading session. We do see the UK pound moving down from a high of 1.3241 all the way to a low of 1.3164, coming down about 77 pips before going quiet, and just this morning trying to build its bullish momentum again. Okay, so euro dollar is a similar story. Yesterday, from about 1100 hours, which is 11 plus 6, 17, 5 p.m. came down from 1.1859 all the way down to 1.1812, coming down 46 pips before pushing up in the US trading sessions. Okay, so looking at the US dollar index, so currently the support levels again will be at 92.43. If it doesn't hold, it could go down to 92.30 levels, and the next one will be at 92.10 levels. Okay, so so it's still a bit early to call, can't really tell much where it's going yet. UK pound wise, to the upside, of course, again we are looking at 1.3262, which is just about 45 pips to the upside, and to the downside the support levels of 1.3172. Okay, euro dollar currently is looking like it could have some resistance getting past 1.1868. If it doesn't manage to get past, we are looking for it to come back down to 1.1820 levels. Okay, Gold prices, which was consolidating after last Monday's huge drop, has been on a bullish run for I guess about 2 days, and just yesterday on a Monday, okay, again it couldn't get past resistance levels of 1895, and just at about 12 plus 6 18. Okay, moving towards 6 p.m. and also 7 p.m. Gold prices dropped from 1892 all the way down to 1864 as Moderna announced the results of their COVID-19 late stage trial. Okay, so but however the gold prices managed to stage a strong recovery from about 8 p.m. onwards, moving up from 1864 to back to 1895 levels to close almost unchanged during the US trading sessions. Okay, so as usual, a lot of movements, news, and activities going on. S&P 500 has been going up for the last 2 days since last Friday, and yesterday it went up from 3,592 levels all the way to 3,640. Yesterday was mostly a ranging day. Okay, trading in a sideways range. Okay, trading in sideways range together with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, so economic calendar wise today, nothing much to shout about. I guess the main one would be the core retail sales data coming from the US tonight, and also Bank of England's governor, Mr. Andrew Bailey, speaking at 10 p.m. Okay, so I guess most of the focus or movements will be focused towards the US market session. In the UK session, possibly we will see one medium cycle, and towards the evening we should see another medium to slightly larger movement tonight. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you again tomorrow for the next market updates. Thank you and have a good day.